Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress to create a blog. First, you will need to choose a reliable hosting provider and register a unique domain name for your blog. Many hosts offer one-click WordPress installation, making the setup process incredibly straightforward. After installation, select a theme that visually represents your blog's purpose and style. This foundational step is crucial for establishing your online presence and preparing for content creation. Now that your WordPress site is set up, it is time to create content. Head over to the Posts section in your dashboard and click Add New. Here, you can write your blog posts, ensuring you use headings and paragraphs to break up text and improve readability. Incorporating relevant images or videos is highly recommended to make your content more engaging and visually appealing for your audience. Aim for clear, concise writing. Once your content is flowing, you will want to personalize your blog's appearance. Utilize the WordPress customizer to modify your chosen theme. You can easily adjust colors, fonts, and the overall layout to perfectly match your brand's unique identity. Additionally, consider installing essential plugins. These tools can add significant functionality, like contact forms or search engine optimization, and enhance your blog's security, protecting your valuable content. Finally, it is time to launch and grow your blog. Before hitting the Publish button, always review your posts thoroughly for any errors. Once published, actively share your new content across various social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Remember to monitor your blog's performance using built-in analytics tools or third-party services. This data will help you understand your audience and refine your content strategy for continued growth and success.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.